姐妹们，Hello, welcome to Project Prosperity 2026. This is to share with you what we are doing in our Project Prosperity 2026. And you can start preparing your diffusers and your essential oils so that you can all start together on the same date. So for those of you who are still considering to join us for Project Prosperity 2026, you can join us at any point in time. Of course, the best is to join the whole program, but if you can't do it for the whole program, then just join us at any point in time that's comfortable on your schedule. So I'm going to share with you and give you a quick overview in terms of what we are doing. So this year, 2026, Project Prosperity is starting on 10 February. We are going to cater 7 days of spring cleaning days all the way to the eve of the Lunar New Year, 16 Feb, and then 15 days of the Lunar New Year from 17 Feb all the way to 3rd March. What you need to do every day, very simple, starting 10 February, you just need to diffuse twice a day. Morning before 12 noon, as well as evening after 8 p.m. Preferably before 11 p.m. So between 8 to 11 p.m. What you need to do, very simple. You can get your water-based diffuser, okay? And then add in the required number of oils inside. We recommend 15 drops per diffuser. Okay, we recommend 15 drops of diffuser. And if your room is a smaller size room, so 10 drops would be the minimum. Okay, minimum 10 drops. That on average, the best is 15 drops. It is only during this period of time we want you to be very intentional with your diffusing, as well as using affirmations to enhance the entire experience. Okay, so this year, those of you who have done Project Prosperity in our previous year, this year is slightly a bit different because I have a co-chair throughout this whole Project Prosperity 2026. Okay, the first one, the spring cleaning. Okay, 3 days, what are we going to do? Okay, we're going to focus on qing. Qing means we want to clean, we want to cleanse. Okay, spring cleaning, we want to clean, we want to cleanse. When we are cleaning and cleansing our space and our environment, it's not just our space and our environment, but it is also our emotional space as well. Okay, let me zoom in further so they can see better. Okay, so it's not listed here. I will send those of you who are participating in our Project Prosperity 2026, the entire protocol. So in the morning, we have an oil. In the afternoon and in the evening, sorry, we have an oil as well. And then the same day, on the same day, both morning and the evening, we will want you to do affirmation together with the oils. Okay, so just follow the chart, and then in the WhatsApp group, we'll remind each other as well. Okay, so the first part of the protocol is qing. Qing means cleanse and you release. And then fang is let go. Okay, after we clean, actually a lot of time we are still attached. 藕断丝连，对吗？ Yeah, a lot of times we are still attached to the things that we have discarded away. Okay, so a lot of times we have still holding on to the emotional meaning of the product that we have just discarded away. So we want you to fang. Fang means to release, to let go. Okay, after that, we are in the first 3 days of the Lunar New Year, 初一 to 初三. Ying means welcome blessing, welcome abundance, welcome prosperity. Ying. After that, 4 days of Feng, 4 days of abundance, abundance of health, finance, laughter, joy. Okay. And then after we welcome abundance and blessing, we need to keep, we need to keep all these blessings with us. So we have a show over here about keeping this abundance in our house. Okay. And then keeping still not good enough. Okay. We need to protect. Okay. We need to protect. So these are the main things that we are doing during this whole both spring cleaning season as well as the Lunar New Year. So if you have any questions, any experiences, do share with me in the WhatsApp chat group, and then we will support each other and cheer each other on throughout the entire period. We'll start on 10 Feb and end on 3rd March. And those of you who have participated and joined us again this year for Project Prosperity, you know that you experience a lot of magical moments during this period with the oils and the positive affirmations together with the entire community. See you in the WhatsApp chat.